The committee is made up of members drawn from the 6 geopolitical zones, and it has 2 weeks to submit its report. It is expected to work with the Senate Clerk, Chinedu Akpabio, to ensure seats and offices are allocated to all senators within the stated time frame. The development was sequel to a motion by Deputy Senate President Senator Barau Jibrin and supported by lawmakers after a closed-door section.
The Welfare Committee will compose of Senator Isah Jibrin as chairman, and the vice chairman will be Senator Darlington Mukocha. And then we have the following members. We tried to draw from all the geopolitical zones.
The 10th Assembly of Lawmakers was inaugurated on June 13th, during which the Senate President and his deputy were elected and declared winners. However, the leadership of the 10th Assembly has communicated to President Bola Tinubu that it has fully resumed full parliamentary business. It was also gathered that the leadership of the 10th Senate has written the international parliamentary body on the resumption of the 10th Senate.
Do send a message to the following international parliamentary bodies, informing them that the quorum of the Senate of the 10th National Assembly has assembled and is ready to receive any communication.
That we do send correspondence to the executive arm of government on the composition of the 10th Senate. Those who are in support of the motion say aye, and those who are against the motion say nay. The ayes have it.
Godswill Akpabio, in accepting his nomination, had promised to collaborate with the lawmakers in delivering interventions sustainable for societal growth and development. The Senate also adjourned plenary to Tuesday, July 4th for allocation of seats and offices to senators. Chuka Onhai, ITV News.